coming?
They've pushed up.
Copy that. Can you get the...
You that? Oh yeah, you can't move because HPF.
Vic a bit further in.
Copy.
Why is it fucked?
Gears, engine, and tire.
How are you shooting at?
Did you not say on speak? Northeast, I heard voices.
Are we gonna mount back up?
We'll need to repair our front wing since it took a lot of beating. I'm currently on it, but it might take a while.
Hey, firm, repair what you can. Copy that.
See, I can you not hear it?
I'm seeing.
We're gonna push up and then dismount.
Great. I got shot a lot.
Push up to a C rocket vehicle.
Yep, we're having problems starting.
Right.
There you go. Got you guys pushed up.
Oh, is this a... Wait.
Yeah, it's still taking contact east up the hill.
Okay, dismount. Movies.
Whoa! Fucking hell, he just got one in the face. How are you alive?
Dave, it seems like we can't fully repair the wing since the repair push out is
Well, someone's just blocked the road.
Left
I
on
am
the
deaf now.
ship, on top of the down ship. I saw a guy running up there, but I can't see him now.
He's down.
Did you get him?
Yeah.
Nice.
Son.
Bravo status.
Already done it.
Alpha's already cleared it.
Alpha done it.
There's another guy up there.
Bravo, if you can push up on foot. Watch out for rockets further east as well.
Pushing east.
Bravo on me. We're pushing east. Red team, base of fire for now. Blue team, push up. Keep right side of the road. Push up the road.
You saw about 600, 700
Meow.
meters to target. With the OKD.
Up the road.
Alright, Alpha, load up on the VIX again.
Okay, red team on me. Push up.
Guys, loaded up. Bravo.
Contact southwest.
More. A lot.
Stay in the road.
Still a little bit fucked up.
Oh. No, that was fridge. God damn it. You shot fridge? I did.
Stay on the road.
You're up.
Is the casualty up?
Yep.
Still contact southwest.
Target. Yeah, frag. Copy.
Clear the road.
Can I get Blue and Lewis go back and grab our rigs?
Hold still, hold.
vehicle to hold.
Okay. Are we to push further with the Vic?
Yeah, push up with the Vex.
Alright, push.
Okay, the rest of Bravo move out with the Vex.
Take it a bit slow, we're getting Bravo's out of that.
Stay on the right side.
Vehicle's a little fucked, you have to bear with these aliens.
Is
It's
that the
fine.
fastest you can?
No, I'm a bit faster.
Okay, just checking.
It's mostly because I've got a flat tire uphill on
I know.
off-road, but once we get back on the road, we'll slide around as normal.
The problem being that the
Okay,
repair
now it's
points are in the
dropped.
ground.
Okay, blue team.
Be
switch.
advised,
Okay,
rocket hold's
To
fucked.
push up the
Engines
hill,
won't,
or is it
engine won't fucking turn
Yeah,
on.
we can do that.
Need
Oh,
medic back
Jesus.
at convoy. Saw is down, taking contact at rear of column.
Bitch, go.
Copy.
I mean, I'm holding shift with this thing. You can push him.
We got one down and I have been hit myself as well.
Yeah, I'm setting ready now. Okay, move back.
Fuck. Yeah. Push.
Boss team, move back. Yeah, falling back. Yeah, falling back.
Yeah, it's going backwards. I can't.
Falling back.
The fucking rocket pod Humvee's fucked.
A for Alpha.
Oh, I'm bleeding Doc.
You have. Why are you bleeding?
Copy that, take it up. Go full.
Right leg. There we are.
Judging by the smoke coming from the engine, I'm going to assume it's fucked.
Yeah, let's not touch this one then.
Solid copy.
Is this vehicle fucking
Is that friendly up there? No,
I'll keep, just covering, I'll
that's
keep trying
friendly
to get the
forces.
engine on.
Be advised as you push up towards the
We are mobile.
southeast. Alpha team, this is mainly you. There are friendlies in that direction. Avoid blue on blue.
Do you have any functional vehicles?
Try and hold on.
Yes, we have
They are
one.
Frenchies.
Transport is mobile.
Copy.
Move forwards a bit. Keep going.
Up,
There you
up,
go.
up, up.
There you go. Okay,
Still
load
contacts.
up. Load up for now. We're going to try and get up to Alpha's position up ahead.
Hey, firm.
Load up.
Copy that. Bravo's loading up, heading towards your position, Alpha.
All in, let's move.
I love the sea. So great.
Conveniently every time.
No, I just hop in every time. It's the second person who gets in gets it. And I
Go
just
full.
hop in first and touch the over.
Davies, I don't think we can get our Vic up here. You
What was
see
that
how well it worked.
Yeah, I
for-
can't. This thing's fucked.
Can you
I
gently
push
nudge them uphill?
Rocket, Warthog is not getting up the hill.
That would be very helpful.
Copy.
What?
Plat
They're gonna
two
nudge
command
us.
message
Whoa,
over.
mate!
I can't drive it.
Two
I
of our
can't.
vehicles
Try
are
it in reverse.
heavily
Try it in
damaged and
reverse.
unable to get up hills. Both squads, be advised, hold at the next clearing before it reinserts.
I can't do anything.
Copy that.
You hold.
Yeah, they cannot go up.
Go straight and I'll try and bump you up the hill.
Yeah,
reverse
reverse
works.
tends to work.
Ta-da! Magical armor bow.
If you reverse, you can go up the hill. Don't ask me why, just
Stay
it
firm,
just
tight.
works.
Okay, let's push up.
The
They've
power of
abandoned.
the Mechanicus may have seen to our vehicles.
What the fuck? It's
Ah.
working for you.
No, they just
Bye.
mechanical.
Just built different.
I said relate to your squad, hold on the next clearing for reinserts.
Copy.
Who died?
We're gonna hold at the next clearing for
Oh,
reinsert.
spoke too soon.
Come on. Can you push up or no?
If you go at an angle,
Oh, didn't need that tree anyway.
Can we push? Hang on.
Very careful, goddamn.
risky.
Watch out, we slide in.
We're trying.
Let's push.
Pushing.
No, it's not working.
Then
Nope.
turn it around. Get it in reverse.
Yeah, put it in reverse,
Yeah,
reverse
put
it
it in
uphill.
reverse.
If the Vics aren't going uphill, go them into reverse. It's gonna be a bit funny, but we'll have to do.
Copy. There we go.
Oh my goodness.
Make space.
Oh, wait.
Getting our second Vic up here, and then we'll just...
Ooh, shit.
Whoa, fucking hell.
Hey, firm.
There appears to be a bunch of fire at the next
Solid copy. We'll push out. Get those
Be careful,
machine guns to cover.
This is why we're not on the front lines.
Okay, Alpha, push out.
This is why we're not Spartans, guys. That's a down
Yeah,
Hey,
this
Phil.
is why we're chilling on Earth, you know?
We're
And
gonna
not
get
going
to
in
that
our
down
ass.
Pelican and secure it.
Okay, let's go, reverse.
No, God.
I feel like you're driving better in rhythm.
Jesus Christ.
Wrong buttons, I'm assuming? Yeah. I'll be a backing up camera. See, I don't get picked up for being alone.
Oh, I thought we were in.
I'm a good
Just stop turning.
there, please.
We can push him.
The moment we just drop off a crashed Falcon, there's a lot of blood.
Yeah, here should be good. It's fine.
How are you guys?
The engine's having some issues turning over as well, so
Yeah, I'll try and see if I can fix it.
I don't like what I've just fucking heard over there.
Out of the way. Hey, out the way.
No, because then you'll
Yeah,
get
I
stuck.
think better with
Oh
the
god. Oh no. It's working, it's working.
What the fuck?
Guys, what are you doing?
No, now we're both stuck.
There's a lot of blood.
Nah, nah.
Hold. Don't move.
What the fuck?
What was that noise?
This is criminal.
All squads, eyes open, full security.
Keep security posted.
What the fuck is he shooting at?
What are you shooting at, mate? Go for
Possible flood.
We did it. I did
direction, direction.
South.
Hey, firm units.
Gun south, gun
Eyes to the
south.
south.
Good stuff, I'll
Local
dismount.
units south.
Local units? Shut the fuck up.
Hold it next to the second Vic.
Keep one or two
What are you,
patrols facing north.
where's south?
Fridge where you are, I need ammo.
All units.
Wait,
Command,
if
be
I
advised,
if I
we
say
are
no south,
receiving possible
you mean-
infected life
Fucking what?
my god.
Okay, blue team, face north.
North? Yeah.
Contact south.
Greenlit for now, we're taking no
Actually, move on
rifle
me.
fire.
Blue team face north. Red team face south.
Guns, keep eyes south.
Don't know, if you hear growling, shoot it.
Reinserts
that?
are balls now.
That's
That's our
Reinserts.
Brown on me.
Friendly Pelican, friendly Pelican.
Checking on those bodies, I need to confirm something.
Rook.
This body's misformed.
GDP to do a medical analysis.
Yeah, see what you
Not
find
my
on it.
fault you can't organise your ammo. Oh shit.
Clearing it. Keep your eyes open. I know what's happening, it's kind of funny, but keep your eyes open.
Oh, nice.
There you go.
We might have a flood problem here.
Our objective is still the town of Frontline.
Get on me. Gonna make a circle on myself.
Hey, firm,
Are we
Godspeed.
to mount up and continue to the town?
Hey, firm. Let's try and keep these vehicles.
Alright, Alpha
Firepower's good.
mount.
Okay, never mind, you two on me.
Lock in Alpha.
Everybody pull back, get remounted.
Remount.
Remount, get back.
Advise both squads, potential flood infection. Things can get a lot worse.
Z, your team takes point again. We'll continue east to the town.
Alpha Jen, you'll take out
Alright,
front.
so pull back a little, and then we'll follow the rest.
That dude was, walking out of the bush, like, what the fuck, is that friendly? Started growling, and I
Be
said, oh shit.
advised, we were expecting friendly forces in this direction. If it spread, we could be too late.
Hey,
It's not turning over, give me a sec. There we go.
Nah, I got you.
POD correctly, since we are expecting friendlies,
Maybe?
but they might be affected by the flood, so we might be...
Alpha, can we
I'll
get
put
your
myself
rear
in the-
chain gun at the rear of the convoy? Get some cover.
Okay.
Okay, Rocket Hog, if you want to take middle.
We're wave 1 will have the high chair
You mean
car
second
at
Vic?
the rear of the convoy.
Why?
Blue team, your Vic is now the second Vic in the convoy.
Because you don't trust my driver.
No, because Davey said that.
The fuck did he say?
Not sure, but he's getting a demotion.
He can't.
The fuck did he
Just
say?
watch for spacing.
Face, you got
Ethan,
real-
Alpha, head out. Bravo, Vic, head out as well.
Jesus Christ.
We follow them. I was not ready.
Fucking. This is going to be a sharp decline, watch out.
To the back of us, then you don't need to look at them.
Slow and steady.
No, he's in the back.
Fucking else, the streep.
Yeah, the back.
Go hard, roll easy on the brakes.
Just shimmying around.
No, that's me.
You did. You did. My chair. My medical observational chair.
We'll ignore the initial infantry dismount. We'll push forward as much as we can.
Copy.
What's
Progressing to the town?
botanist? Looking at the plants.
Yeah, we'll be pushing into town.
Copy that.
If we come under contact, soft dismount.
Copy.
On contact, soft dismount.
Say again.
If we get into contact,
On contact, soft dismount.
Alright, sorry.
Was that blue, Zans?
Yes.
A shocker. Don't worry, he'll get demoted.
To what? A recruit?
Oh yeah.
Meat shield. We'll give him to the Covenant for free.
Okay, the tank should be just around this corner.
Tank.
tank, front,
Dismount. AT. Yeah, AT, you focus on that.
This one.
Is that a...
Burn the fuck out!
Get off the road.
Move south, move south.
I don't feel safe anymore.
What about the transport hog?
It's gonna have to be sacrificed for
No.
Tank is on fire, I say again. Tank is
on
on
that
fire.
tank.
Tank's on fire. It's rolling back.
Tank is on fire.
Any further? We'll leave the Vix here. I'll mark on map. Infantry push into town. Follow the road if you can.
Copy that.
Dismount, red team. Shut the door.
Full dismount.
Blue team will meet up with Reki.
I'm gonna leave the Vic on because that engine light
A-firm.
will turn over again, so.
Get on the road.
Hold here. Wait for blue team.
Okay, staggered. Push up.
Alright, push. We're going in a wedge formation.
Go on, Neo, push up.
Good to go,
Holy.
Pete.
How was the Scorpion?
FPS?
Bye, Sam. Please. Tomorrow, please.
Dancing, going heavy contact up there.
Guys, pull back. Very hot here. Can they go now? What are you attacking him, do you think? Yep, that's what I'm doing. How are you this fine? How are you fine?
That dude took a rocket to the face. Grenade going out. Good call. Yes, be advised for civilians just in case.
Move east, move. Get off, sir. Move east.
Move east.
4, jdu po něm. 1, jsem na suchu. 4, jdu po něm. Krycí palba. Krycí palba. Všude 1, jdu po něm.
Man down.
On it.
Hold security.
Yep, you guys keep fighting. I'm dealing with casualty, give me a moment. Range it yourself if you can. Right. Morphine.
Okay, Mia.
Huh?
5, 6, we're not gonna reel off your tick.
I don't know what you're saying.
Yeah, he's relogging Mio taking command. Basically.
Oh, yeah.
What he said.
Všude čisto. Přesunuju se.
Right, maybe don't find yourself.
Alright, let's move up to the buildings then. Let's just clear these for now.
Clear up it.
Stuck.
Building clear.
Tři. Všude čisto.
There's
Krycí palba. 2, po něm. 2, jdu po něm.
On you 6.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, right, yeah. Just get a tunnel underneath the house.
Are you good?
Tři, jdu po něm. Kontakt.
Guys, I think I've got
Dopředu.
contact on
Neznámý
this
stav.
wall.
Negativní.